Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This Halloween, don't let discount turns into nightmares. Instead of unlimited percentage discount, set a cap. For example, offer 30% of up to $300 only. That way, no matter how the big cut is, your profit stays safe. Before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting up the discount percentage with a cap amount, I'm using Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify app store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. If you need, just go it from there and follow along with me. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Just choose your discount code as your discount type and add any discount code. For now, I am adding Halloween 300 as my discount code. I'm planning to give a discount percentage of 30 with the capping amount as 300. So, this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 300. Even though the 30% of the cart value is higher than 300, our cap amount ensures that the maximum discount amount will be 300. And I can also set the discount can be applied for all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. For now, I am adding it for all the products. I can also set some minimum purchase requirement here, but I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement for now. And I can set some customer eligibility, like I'm adding it for all the customers. If you need, you can add it for customers having some tags for only one customer for with the first order, like that. And I can also limit the number of time the discount can be used in total. If I'm adding it 100 here means this discount will be available for 100 first users. I can also limit the use of this code per customer only one time from here. And now the active dates. Here we can set the dates through which this discount is got activated. Like we can set some start date and an end date through which this Halloween is going on. Like if you need this discount will be available for the Halloween week or a 10 days before the Halloween or a month of Halloween, like that. You can set the start date and time and date time and all here. And you can also club this discount with the existing discounts like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. So after adding all this, just save the changes. Now let's check whether this discount is got activated. Now you can see that the Halloween 300 is got activated. Now let's test this in our online store. So I'm planning to add a product of worth 5,000. Now I'm applying my code here. We know that the 30% of 5,000 is more than 300, but since we have set our capping amount as 300, this code ensures that this product will never get any discount code higher than 300. Now let's test with some other product. Let's go for a product of 1,350. Now I'm applying my code here. Now you can see that this product has got 300, which is the capping amount which we have set up. Even though the 30% of 1,350 is higher, the cap amount ensures that the discount amount will never go beyond 300. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share or like the channel. Thanks for watching.